Welcome to Index Trader channel. This is the first time we are going to discuss about stock in this channel. Today results are out on ICICI Bank. So what chart and analysis tells whether it is a buy or sell, how does the stock performs recently. So we are going to do the technical analysis in various setups and we'll find out whether it is a buy or sell. Okay guys, let us move to the chart now. So this is the one-day chart of ICICI Bank, so looking like this. Now you can see a continuous downtrend of the stock. You can see a lot of red candles and a bounce back move, but overall it is in a downtrend with a slight up move. Okay, what does the moving average setup tells? Let us see. So this is the 20 moving average. You can see the candle is below the 20 moving average, and even the 40 moving average. Okay, it tried to touch the 40 moving average, but it could not break and again fall back. So this is a clear cut of downtrend, and it is not in a uptrend above 40 moving average also. So the price action looks very bearish, but there are hopes that it can move up and above the high it has already made. Okay, what does the other data tells and the price actions tells? We can see that. Okay, I will have drawn the very important resistance and support levels where the price flips has taken. You can see now. See, there is a strong solid resistance at this point, that is a 384 level, where the stock tries to hit that point, and then it 320 levels. So this is the first resistance point, a sell zone here. So this zone is around 363 to 352. So this is a sell zone. Whenever the stock reaches there was a strong sell, and you can see a solid resistance now here. You can see, yeah, the last candle it tries to reach that zone, but it could not reach it. Yeah, or it could not cross that. Even it was crossed once or twice, but it could not sustain this level. So overall, this level is a strong resistance. This level, that 325 level, is a good amount of solid support. It acts as a support, but it's only a temporary support. The overall, if you see the long-term support, it is at right now at 282, and then it is at 257. If you see, the trend has started from 257 and then it went up to 540. So usually in the downtrend, this will end up reaching that particular spot. So you can say in the downtrend, definitely this stock will move to 257, even though there was a slight up move. But overall, looking at the trend and the selling pressure, and there was no buying pressure here, the volumes also low, so you can see that the stock can move to 257 levels, and breaking that levels will definitely take this stock to 170 and 160 levels. So overall the stock looks bearish, and tomorrow, if you want to see tomorrow what will be the stock reaction, so we can see the option chain. What is the option chain? The call side and the put side. You can see the call side here. The call side, you can say at strike prices 400, 350, 340 and all. There you can see a solid call writing happen here. So you can see 400 has the maximum call writing done here, and 340 levels also there was a solid call writing here. 350 levels, more than 8 lakhs contracts were returned on Friday. So overall there was a huge amount of call return this stock. And coming to the put side, there was only very weak this side. The put side is very weak. You can see the supports at directly at 300 only. There is no support here. Here you can say there is a put buying happen here. So hopefully the stock will move towards 300 levels definitely, and breaking that will definitely move that to 280 levels, which is very visible here in this month. But 300 will act as a strong support as of now, right now. But overall in the option chain you can see there is a strong call side writing here. There are many retailers, I think, who has bought calls, but the overall trend is looking very strong on call writing only, because they are all institutions who sold calls. So definitely there will be a pressure on the upside, and there will be a selling pressure tomorrow. You can see there was a in the volume also deliverable position data. So I have taken a 3-month data here. So you can see the stock has normally, as an average, it is above 50% delivery quantity every day. You can see there is a considerable drop in the volume, and when there was a rise, the delivery quantity is increased. So if you see on the chart, see, this is the chart, and this is a bearish candle, you can see. So on that particular day the delivery volume is increased, but at the same time if you see there is a red candle with red volume. So the volume is increased when the stock moved up. So overall, if you look at the volume analysis, it is giving a bearish setup only. So coming to the conclusion, you can say that the option writers are strong enough to push the stock down, and there will be a selling pressure tomorrow. Overall, this stock is under downtrend, and it may need more consolidation and more buying required. So if it comes up with volume at this support point, that is 280 level or 257 levels, definitely it can make an up move. But looking at the technical chart, there is a clear cut visibility that it will definitely come to 257 levels, and from there it can retrace. Till then it will be in a downtrend only. So thank you viewers, hopefully this video will definitely help you in learning. Hope I will continue to provide such videos in future. Please subscribe, and if you like the video, please click like button and subscribe to our channel Index Trader. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.